what really makes the internet go around. If you're new to internet marketing, some of the basics might seem confusing. You might not fully understand how people actually make money online. Even if you've been around a while, you might still not see all the moving parts behind the web's economy. What drives it, where the money comes from, and where it's going. Understanding that is the first step to using those systems to your advantage. And it'll make everything we cover in the next videos much clearer. I wish my grandma could see this. She's always asking how I make money and whether it's even legal. To someone unfamiliar, internet marketing can look like magic, like you're some kind of digital sorcerer, conjuring cash out of thin air. And when people realize the money's rolling in while you're sleeping, that's when it really feels unreal. The economy of the web. Money moves in and out of the internet just like it does in the real world, driven by the same forces of demand and supply. Most of the money online comes from people buying things, and in most cases, those are still physical products. Items from Amazon, eBay, clothing stores, or even groceries delivered right to your door. Then there's the digital side, ebooks that teach you how to make money or get fit, online services like legal consultations, marketing, writing, photography, dating, travel, and more. Chances are you already take part in this economy yourself. You probably make plenty of your own purchases online, or at the very least research them there first. Maybe you look up a local barber, a new restaurant, or the best place to fix your car. Traditional businesses you already know, cafes, gyms, salons, law firms, now make a big part of their income online, and yours could too. But let's be real. Most people don't have the time or capital to start a full business from scratch. If you're working full-time, you're not going to spend your evenings building a brand, offering legal advice, or running an online store. These models take time, money, and specialized skills, and that's why learning how the online economy works is so valuable, because once you understand how money flows through the web, you can learn how to step into that flow yourself without needing to start a traditional business. This isn't the kind of business you can set up in your evenings, but there's a way around that by selling something you can create quickly without a big financial investment. For example, you could sell an ebook. An ebook is basically just a Word document or a PDF you can put together in Microsoft Word. It doesn't require any special skills, costs almost nothing to make, and you don't need to store it anywhere. The best part? You only create it once, but you can sell it over and over again. The same idea applies to apps, games, online courses, or other digital products. Create once, sell countless times. The role of the internet marketer. The challenge is that digital products only appeal to certain people, and you often have to convince them to spend money on something they can't physically hold. That's where internet marketing comes in. One simple approach is selling a digital product, creating it once, then profiting from it repeatedly. Your work in this case often revolves around online advertising, getting to the top of Google search results, or reaching people through an email list. But that's just one way to use internet marketing skills. Every business, from clothing stores and hair salons to travel sites, needs exposure. They're willing to pay others to spread the word, both directly and indirectly. This is how many websites make money from advertising without selling anything themselves. You can earn by hosting banner ads for monthly fees, or through networks like Google Ads, which pair advertisers with the right content. In this model, you often earn a small amount each time someone clicks an ad or sees it for the first time. The principle is simple. The more visitors you attract to your website, the more potential revenue you generate. YouTube videos work the same way, earning from ads shown at the start or from sponsors paying to showcase products. And it's not just websites and YouTube, social media platforms, blogs, even apps all rely on the same principle. If you can learn to direct attention and attract visitors, you can turn almost any online space into a source of income. The more creative you get with content, the more opportunities you have to monetize, whether it's through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate deals. You can think of making money online like a free magazine handed out on the subway. You didn't pay for it, but it's full of ads. Those advertisers cover the cost because they know thousands of people will see it. Alternatively, you can earn money by directly promoting a product. This could be through sponsorships, like many Instagram and YouTube stars do, or by promoting affiliate products. Affiliate marketing works like this. The seller gives you a unique link to their product. Every purchase made through that link is credited to you, earning a percentage of each sale. In short, the success of an internet marketer depends on one thing: attracting attention and sharing opinions. Do that effectively, and you can drive sales, both for your own products and for others. For a busy professional, these skills are incredibly valuable. They can help you grow your own business or start making significant side income in your evenings. And in the videos ahead, you're going to learn exactly how to do both, maximizing results with minimum time and effort.